Alright, 5 line, $3 max bet. Any of the progressives I'll take. One more. Okay, 15 free games. Plus $6, killing it. Alright, 5 lines. Can I have any win, please? Any win? Any win? Yeah, I got aces. Kitty, kings. 2 more spins. Last spin, kitty. Oh. $26. Alright, we're gonna finish these out. Aces times 5, $37.50. Turtle. Oh. Turtle? Oh. Last spin on the turtle. Yay. Oh. $135. Great win. Let's just go ahead and finish the aces as well. Last spin on the aces. Oh, I got turtles. Never mind. Come on, turtles. Oh, I needed a turtle top. Last spin. Buddha. There we go. I like this game. Huge win. $181. Let's keep it going. 9 more spins for Buddha. Buddha. Buddha, 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 Buddha. We're all gonna have a whale. Let's see what a 5 of a kind Buddha pays. Buddha. Kings. Queen. 5 of a kind queens. Last spin on the Buddha. Alright. And 2 more spins on Kitty. Kitty. Last spin. Alright. That was an amazing win. Alright, shoot all the bets. 10 cent denom. Major 1600. 16K for the mega. Let's do it. Balls for days. Alright. Excuse me, sir. Can we land on this screen right here? Land. Land. Thank you. Alright. Nothing much, but it's something. 25 landed on the very top. Good. Alright, not good, not bad. 250 back. Let's get the major. Minor would work as well. And a grand, of course. $25. Another 250. More minis will work. Alright. Last one, hopefully not. Hit. Hit. And last spin. Good one. Ching ching. 737. Great one. All right, we got some big balls or big hearts. $5 bet. Drop that major. Drop the major. Another 250. How about the minor? Come on. Drop that major. How about the grand? Come on. Okay. One more for the grand. Let's do it. Come on, tease me. Tease me. Alright, great one though. $960. Amazing win. Alright, I'm waiting on Emily to finish the ginning. So I'm playing $1.25 and it is. How do you start it? Alright. Oh, I'll beat that. Oh.
You gotta beat it.
Great one. Ching ching. Ching ching. Almost 100x. Take that all day. Alright, Let's get it. Bonus in the bonus. 3. Wild. Come on. One more. Come on, girl. 3. Last spin. Alright, not bad. Alright, Cash Xtreme Rising Dragon. Let's see how this works. We're playing, oh wow. Diamond denomination. I got the mini, $50 I think. Alright, what am I doing? I'm so lost. Come on, hit. 1. Okay, so I only have 1 spin on this one, 2 on this one. Come on, hit. Alright, I unlocked that. Okay, I unlocked that. Okay. So 3 spins on both now. Come on, hit. All these open spaces that you can't hit. And that's, yeah, Hit. Thank you. Alright. One more. Hit. Last spin on this one, 2 spins on this one. Yeah, hit on this one. Hit on this one! Okay, so that one's complete. Alright. We got all that. Hit. Okay. So we need 25 to collect a grand. So 5 more. Two more. It's just going to be that easy. Hit. Alright, last spin. That's all. I'm a winner. It's actually a good win. Alright. 218. I like it. All right.